Messenger chat hit is it's gonna look like this. Let me show you. So when somebody messages you on Messenger, this is what it's gonna appear like if you guys have chat heads on, or if it is not disabled, or if it is working correctly. This is what it's gonna look like when somebody sends you a message. It's gonna pop out right beside your screen on your Messenger. So if you're not receiving this, then you need to do some things which I'm gonna be telling you in the video. But before that, if you guys are the iPhone user, then basically guys are not going to receive chat because in iPhone there is no chat of Messenger. I don't know why they don't have this feature for iPhone. It's a pretty useful and helpful feature, but they don't have it in iPhone. So for Android user, this is a bonus feature. So let me show you guys how you guys can unlock it. First step for doing this is you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's gonna open up just like this. Now over here, scroll a bit down, and once you see chat heads over here just like on my screen, make sure to turn it on. Alright, because if your chat heads is turned off, then it's not gonna pop up. It means you have disabled it. By default it's gonna be turned on, but sometimes it's gonna be off, so make sure to check this. Once you turn it on, your chat head should appear. But if it's still not appearing, the other way to make it appear is hold on the person's name and then click on versus open in chat head, and the person's messenger or like the person's message feed is gonna open up in chat head just like this. Now you can chat with him just like this as well. So that's how you guys can do it. So even after doing this, if it still didn't work, then make sure to update your messenger to the latest version. And even updating your messenger didn't do anything, then just delete your messenger, reinstall it again, and it should work. So that's how we guys can fix our messenger chat head not working. So I hope you guys are clear like what chat heads are.